create account on Tan10 app. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to create your account on the Tan10 app. So first of all you have to do is just simply open your App Store or your Google Play, and after that just simply download the Tan10 application in your mobile device. And once you are done downloading the application, just simply open it. And once you're there, just simply click on let's go and start creating your account. You can use your TikTok account or your email address, and you can also log in through you can also sign up through your Google account. So I'm gonna logging in through my Google account. Just select one of the account, and after that just click on agree and share in order to create your account in the Tan10 app. And now your account has been created. So you can now go ahead and set up your profile while adding your profile picture. So if you don't want to add your profile picture now, you can do that later on as well. Just simply add your picture and other details along with your profile, your bio and everything, and after that just simply create your account. So Tan10 is basically a walkie-talkie app that allows user to communicate with their friends in real time, even when their friend screens are locked. So user can sing, shout or whisper, and their friends will be able to hear them live on their phone. So the app is also available in both Android and iOS. So you could just go ahead and explore the app, and you will be enjoying using this particular app. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.